such suggestions. My topic is no one can replace you. Yes, definitely. No one can replace you. Because on that time, when you have a hope, when you have a will, nobody can replace you. Nobody is here to point out yourself. If you are allowed it, on that time they will point out you. If you are not allowed that, on that time they will not allowed it. Because on that time, when there is time, only the person who made you, who developed you, who made you something, only they are thinking best of you. But the others are thinking the best of you because you are being a vestige of them. Because they are not seeing your development, they are not seeing your success, they are jealous. Only the person who motivates you, who gives you development, who is being you, who wants you, on that time only they want to develop you. Only they want to see that yes, you have to go ahead. You have to be successful in your life. That's the mean that if you want to replace yourself, so don't replace because what you are but you are the good. Because on that time nobody can say, many are here, as I am saying, the many are here to point out yourself that no, you are not doing something, you are not doing it, but don't listen them because they are jealous. You listen those who motivate you, who develop you, because every time the person are saying, I know her very well, but still they are not thinking that what they are thinking, they are not as well. They are thinking what they are beyond your thinking, that what they are, when you are facing, on that time they are thinking that yes, what you are. So you have to wait, and you are saying to them, that is what I am. Thank you, that's all.
As you are saying that yeah, no one is here who will point out you. Don't give anybody that permission to point out you. In your school, miss, you are coming and just miss say to me this thing, miss say to me this thing, that you can't do. Girl say to me this thing, that girl is saying to me that thing. So are you give the permission to them now? But as you are saying, first time, first you have to apply all that. You say to too many times. So are you that you are the one who said that yeah, never give the permission to everybody, but everybody is the one who point out you. In fact, your physics teacher, your English teacher, everybody is there who point out you that yeah, you cannot do this thing, you cannot do this thing. You are give the permission to that yeah, you are able, and you say that yeah, no one is replaced me. In fact, before coming here, that who is like here, who develops you, that your master, that thing is really matter that yeah, before that yeah, who is motivate you, and as you are there that yeah, I never give, only believe and only accept your master word, only accept your developer word. So why that yeah, you always say that every person that yeah, that's it. In fact, you take the help of Mr. Raksha. Why you take it? You take the help of Mr. Sir. Why? In fact, there are many of the things you keep doing that thing. If I say, I absolutely say that I take the help. But what if you are saying this thing, big thing, so tell me that why you take the help of Mr. Raksha, why you take the help of your mother, is that if you are saying as many big things, so why you can never happen. In fact, they are the able to point out you. So why if you are the really have to say many things, so first apply that what you are. And you are sitting here and say that first you have to say something and then you apply your own self. The first miss is also question about you that for science before has to apply.
Okay, so now I think so that now she is not in 6, she is in 10. That's why now she is coming in my class. That she know very well that what my physics teacher is saying, what my English teacher is saying to me. But may I replace myself by saying those teachers? No, absolutely no. As she is saying that you are listening towards our master, you are taking the advice of our master, you are going for your sister, you are going for your mother. Why I should not go? Because they are developed me. By saying my master, I am replaced myself. Before I am also, you know about it, that before I am not learning because I don't need. That means that now when I see him, when I listen his motivation, on that time I am becoming something. On that time I am seeing that yes, nails are working on. Might be there's something, any issues there. That's why you are saying about it. And Miss is saying about me that yes, what you are doing or what you are doing. So I am not saying. If they are saying to me that you are not doing, you are not doing. So the answer is now that what they are doing, I am giving them a reply by my action, not my mouth. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you are mentioning a lot of things that yeah, people they are unreplaceable. You can't replace them. You know what? Miss, nothing is permanent. Everything is temporary. People are with you till the time. The day you need them, they are so disappear. So how is it possible that you are unreplaceable? Secondly, I want to mention you're saying that yeah, people they become uncontrollable with their efforts because they have a greatest master. You have a greatest master, but have you played like him? Have you ever played like him? No. Because why in his boxing time he was never accepting somebody because he know I have fought, I have bled more than somebody else. That's what I have the capabilities and nobody can defeat. So are you really bleeding with the one who is having a title of champion? Are you more good than them? The answer is totally no. And if you are saying that it is unreplaceable this and that, we are here to replace you. You should not forget this thing. Because how easily you can say that I'm so irreplaceable, nobody can replace. The taking championship is so easy. To sustain it, it is so hard. And I don't think you have a capability to do. Because if you are that too much capable, you are never dependent on somebody. Because during an exam, teachers never speak. So when you are in an exam, how is it possible that you are taking help of somebody? If you are really capable or irreplaceable person, then why yet you don't have any example? Or to inspire somebody that yeah, you are so good at that. If you haven't bleed, if you haven't done anything, without any efforts, how is it possible that you are so irreplaceable? So see, the one who is more better than you, if they know how to really lead it, that means they have really done it. And if you are so incapable, because every king was crying baby, but not always every crying baby is king. So same as that if everybody is bleeding, that does not mean that everybody is irreplaceable. That's it.
See, as she's saying that everything is temporary. No one is here to motivate you every time. Every person are not there. But the words are always alive. Words are permanent. Because their words are remembering you. As their words are attract you, on that time they remember your words. On that time as a motivation. As you were saying that no one is here. No one is giving you motivation and temporary or permanent as you were saying. But in my thinking the words are permanent. They will not snatch. Somebody is not snatch your words. Somebody is not snatch your heart. On that time this is not a thing. Or as you were talking about it, that yes,